train the trainer. So trainers, the important points to hit on here are the relatively modest cost of all these things, $3,700 for a house that is going to cost, $600,000. It is a modest additional cost, less than a percent added cost to resist virtually every tornado. Another point to make, so first point to make is less than about a 0.5% added construction cost, benefit cost ratio that might be, that's going to exceed 3 to 1 on long-term average, and maybe over 20 to 1. And third point to make is there's no rocket science here. We have known how to make houses tornado resistant for over a century. It's just a question of doing it.